How many you want? Madam, how many you want? How many you want? Secrets. Boo has 3 girlfriends. 3. Secret. Wow, they have a secret. Robotic girlfriend. Boo is getting a robotic girlfriend. No, John. I want him to have the real one, not the AI, not the robot. Boo, Boo, get the real girlfriend, Boo. And yes, and let us know if you will get the real girlfriend and you're going somewhere, then we will send you super chat. Ha ha ha, robotic. We will send you super chat.